Want to make your photos like this? I will show you a quick and easy Canva trick to create professional-looking outlines. Perfect for YouTube thumbnails, posters, or social media. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go. First, open Canva and choose your design size. Select the image you want. Then drag it. Adjust the size of your image. Drag the image without the background onto your design. Then go to the text. Type the word you want. For me, I want the word outline. And resize it to your desired size. Position it where you want to place it. And choose a bold font to make it more visible and visually appealing. And choose a white color overlay to make it look better. Duplicate your text by clicking on it, pressing Ctrl D, or right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Click on the text you duplicated, go to Effects, and select the Hollow effect. Now use the Position tool to perfectly layer the white letter behind the hollow effect. And there you have it, an easy Canva trick to create professional outlines in minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more creative Canva tips like this.